Hello, kids. You're welcome to literacy class today. Last week, we learned about gender and we learned so many words we can use for masculine and feminine gender. Today, however, we're going to learn about antonyms. So, what are antonyms? Let's find out. Antonyms are words with the opposite meaning. I'm sure you've heard the word opposite before, but what exactly is an opposite? An opposite is when two words contradict each other. Now, I want you to look at the picture. There are two people in it. One is tall and the other is short. That helps you understand what an opposite means. Okay? I have so many examples for you here that will help you understand better. Let's go see more. Now, here in this picture, you can see a rock and a teddy. The rock is hard and the teddy is what? Soft. In, out. In the first picture, the girl is in the pool, and in the other, she's out of the pool. So the opposite of in is what? Out. Up, down. You can see the cyclist going up in the first picture, and in the next picture, he's coming down. Open, closed. Quiet, loud. Many, few. Off, on, off. Now I want you to take note of the spelling of off is a double F, okay? Fast, slow. Hot, cold. Can you see the difference in the picture? In the two pictures? Yes. The first one, the sun is out and it's really bright and hot. Temperature is high. And in the other picture, it's cold. You can see the snow and the temperature is low. So the opposite of hot is what? Cold. Near, far. Left, right. The opposite of left is right. Happy, sad. Can you see the girl? In the first picture, she's very happy and smiley. But in the next picture, you can see she's sad. So the opposite of happy is sad. When you're not happy, you're sad. Stop, go. When you get to a traffic light and you see the red light, what do? You stop. And when the green comes on, you go. Heavy, light. Day, night. The opposite of day is night. Wet, dry. Full, empty. Large, small. Tall, short. Asleep, awake. When you're not sleeping, you're awake. Stand, sit. Present, absent. If you're not in school, if you're in school, you're present. You're not in school, you're absent. Now, We've seen so many examples with pictures. But do you know that there's some words that can have more than one antonyms? Well, there are. Words like big, large, hefty, and huge. They are antonyms of small, tiny, and little. So you can use small for big or large, hefty, and huge, as well as tiny and small. Okay? Now, there are more examples here in sentences. Let's go through them. John thought the mathematics exams was hard. So, what is the opposite of hard? John thought the mathematics exams was easy. So, the opposite of hard is easy. Number 2, I never brush my teeth before going to bed. What's the opposite of never? I always brush my teeth before going to bed. So the opposite of never is what? Always. The bridge is too wide for me for two cars to cross. Now what's the opposite of wide? The bridge is too narrow for two cars to cross. The opposite of wide is narrow. Number 4, the bag is too light for me to carry. The bag is too heavy for me to carry. So the opposite of light is what? Heavy. Today was the worst day ever. Today was the best day ever. So the opposite of worst is what? Best. Great. I also have a long list of opposite words for you to learn. There is no rule as to how you will learn know words and opposite. All you have to do is learn the words. So I made a long list for you. Take your time to learn these words, okay? Here is my evaluation for you. Now, you've learned that antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. So, in this evaluation, I want you to change the word that is underlined to its antonym, and I gave you words to choose for. So, for instance, in number 1, you have my teacher gives hard homework. Now, the word that is underlined there is hard. So, you'll figure out what is the opposite. Number 2, we live far from my grandmom. Find out the opposite of far. Have you lost your pencil? The word underlined is lost. School starts too late. Late. My dog can climb under the fence. Under. I like a cold lunch. Cold is underlined. Bob is the shortest boy in our class. Shortest. Today, it will be warm outside. Warm. Sue is sad about the party. Sad. I am slow at running the race. Now that will be all, children. Bye. And I'll see you.